Hello friends, today we'll discuss about biomass energy. Myself Chandrasekhar S. Patil, Department of Electrical Engineering, SIT COE. Introduction to biomass energy. Biomass is a organic matter produced by plants, both terrestrial and aquatic. Terrestrials means those grown on land and aquatic means those grown in water and their derivatives. It includes forest crops and residue crops grown especially for their energy content on energy farms and animal manure. So biogas is or biomass is the organic matter which is produced from plants. So biomass energy is also considered as a form of solar energy because it is indirectly used to grow these plants by photosynthesis. From the chemical reaction, we can see that in the presence of carbon dioxide and water, and with the help of chlorophyll and light, biomass energy is produced with the liberation of oxygen. Biomass energy categorization. In the first category, it is used is to burn the biomass directly and get the energy. That is the combustion process. In the combustion process, the biomass is directly burned to get the energy. In the second category, the biomass is converted into ethanol and methanol to be used as liquid fuel in engines. In the third category, it is fermented the biomass and anaerobically to obtain a gaseous fuel called biogas. The biogas conversion techniques include thermochemical conversion and the second one is biochemical conversion. The thermochemical conversion has three types. One is combustion type, second one is pyrolysis, third one is gasification. Biochemical conversion has two types. One is anaerobic digestion and second one is anaerobic fermentation. Thermochemical conversion types. In that, first one is combustion. Direct burning of biomass to produce energy is called combustion. For combustion, the moisture content should be less than 15%. Pyrolysis. It is the thermal decomposition of the organic material or the burning of biomass in the absence of oxygen or air. Pyrolysis takes place at a temperature between 300 degrees centigrade to 375 degrees centigrade. Gasification. Under some conditions of temperature and oxygen supply, a solid fuel is converted by a series of thermochemical processes into a gaseous fuel known as producer gas. Biochemical conversion and aerobic digestion. In the biochemical conversion, where anaerobic digestion takes place, it involves microbial digestion of biomass. Anaerobe is a microorganism that can live and grow without air or oxygen. This process takes place at a low temperature up to 65 degrees centigrade and requires moisture content up to 80%. It generates gases like methane, carbon monoxide and with minimum impurities like hydrogen sulfide. The chemical reaction is given as below, which includes the organic matter plus water in presence of bacteria gives methane, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide, which is an impurity. Residue can be used as animal feed, which is rich in proteins. Entire process of anaerobic digestion is taking place in the absence of oxygen. Biochemical conversion and aerobic fermentation. It takes place in three distinct steps. First step, insoluble biodegradable material like cellulose, polysaccharides and fats are broken to soluble carbohydrates and fatty acids and amino acids by the process of hydrolysis at 25 degrees centigrade. Second step is acid forming bacteria produce mainly acetic and propionic acid and with aldehyde, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, ammonia and sulfuric acid. This stage takes at least 1 day at 25 degrees centigrade. Biochemical conversion and aerobic fermentation. The step 3 includes Methane forming bacteria slowly in about 14 days at 25 degrees centigrade complete the digestion to 70% methane and 30% carbon dioxide with trace amount of hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Here, methane forming bacteria are more environmentally sensitive than the acid forming bacteria, which are strict and aerobes, slow growing, pH sensitive, and temperature dependent. Acid forming bacteria are hardy and fast growing under a variety of environmental conditions. Anaerobic digestion is usually 60 to 70% efficient. Efficiency of biochemical conversion is given by weight of volatile solids converted to biogas divided by weight of volatile solids available. Introduction to biogas generation plants. Commonly used biogas plants in India are fixed dome biogas plants. In that we have Janta biogas plant and second one is Deenabandhu biogas plant. Floating gas holder plant. First one is Khadi and Village Industries type biogas plant. Second one is Pragati design biogas plant. We will discuss about each biogas plants with their construction and working principle in detail in the next session. Thank you.